this here is Mr. Floppy. Not staying up like you should. That's what needs replaced. So I ordered the switch. This is the replacement switch. Ordered this late Sunday night, technically Monday morning. It's about 5 past midnight when I ordered it. It arrived 3 days later, Christmas Eve. But it's a 10 amp thermal circuit breaker switch. Probably has something similar on your plane. This one has a few of them, as you can see. $65 and pennies, plus shipping and tax for this. The place I ordered it from had 2 in stock. I got one of them. Other places had none at all. Aircraft, Spruce, they weren't due to get any until March or April. Had them on back order. Other places, they're on back order and they were having lead times of a year. One place had a lead time of 2 years. It's crazy. Absolutely nuts for a switch. You can get them on the salvage market, where they've been removed from planes. So obviously used. You don't know what condition they're in. Found one $35. Other places are seeing them for $50. I mean, almost as much as a new switch for a salvage. It's nuts. Now, why there is such a long lead time on these, I have no idea. But yeah, it's all a bit crazy. But I got mine, luckily. My MP is going to be installing it in a couple of days' time. Monday, after the weekend. And then this switch should go back to doing what it's supposed to be doing. Which is important, because that now switch also controls the ADSB out. And I need that because of where we are. We need to have ADSB. So can't fly without it. But yeah, there we go. $65 and change for a switch.
A few days later.
Here we go, new switch. Okay, there's the new switch in place. You can't really tell, looks a bit cleaner. Okay. Battery on. Nav lights on. And you can just about see over there. The red glow. Nav lights. Turn it off. The light goes away. All good. And yes, I did actually do a walk around to make sure that the lights were all working. And the ADSB works. I checked that too. So all is good. I'm going to turn the master off. Otherwise I'll have a dead battery. I think John left this behind.